What's up, Trendsetta gang? This is another makeup tutorial. It's foundation blending. I said I was gonna do the contouring, but I'll let that be a separate video. Okay, so I'm going to let me tell y'all what I was using first. I'm trying another foundation because let me just tell y'all, I still have trouble with my foundations because I've had people to tell me it's hard to find my color. Believe it or not, it is. MAC with I had a foundation with MAC, but it seemed like I don't know. I probably need to try the Studio Fix or whatever. But with MAC, they had to mix two foundations to get my color, like dead on. So I'm saying I want to find something where I can just get it. I can make it work and blend to work out for me, but it's really hard. But this is the one that I was using. It's makeup. It's L'Oreal Paris 24 Hour. Infallible Pro Matte. Okay. And this is 111. Now, I don't know if you can really see, but 111 looks. How does that look to y'all? I think 110 might be more of my color. I think 111 might be too different, but I'm getting ready to try it and see for you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get a wipe. These are feminine cleansing cloths. I'm talking all long with. These are extra feminine cleanliness and odor control. These are cleansing cloths. They're hyperallergenic, dermatologically and microbiologically tested, hypoallergenic, alcohol and paraben free formula. I got these for $1 in Roses. We got a store in North Carolina called Roses. So let me get one of those. And what I like to do is just some of y'all thought I had on makeup. Nope. Look at the white. There's no makeup on it. That's my skin. Boy, the cameras make me look flawless. So clean your face real good. Get all the sebum, which is the natural oils that come out of your skin. Anytime you applying makeup, this is like, you got to do it. This is, I'm going to show y'all the cloth again. I have on no makeup. No makeup, no makeup, no makeup. See? Okay. So now that we got that out the way. Now, when you blend your foundation, you can use a beauty blender. You can tell that I use mine. Okay? And I squirt a little bit. You can use it dry, or you can use it. You can dampen this, the beauty blender, put a little water on it, and then put the foundation on. So I'm gonna put a little water on it. I think it's time for me to get another beauty blender because I think I done use this crazy. Okay. I had got one beauty blender and it was so hard. And I was like, why is this so hard? It was really hard to be a sponge. I was like, who wants that? So I always go up under my eyes. I'm using the camera screen as my mirror. And y'all tell me how this look. I think this is more my color than the other color was. Now, when you putting on your foundation, it should be good and blending. If you got to do too much blending, like if you find yourself spending hours and hours, you got to blend good, but you shouldn't have to do, you know, too much. Because if you do, that means it's probably not your color. But at the same time, I believe in a certain amount of blending, because you got to, I think, when you're dealing with the foundation of your makeup, that really determines how your makeup gonna go, pretty much. Let's see if this will work better. Yeah. And I put a little, sometimes I put a thin layer over the eye, not too much. But it makes my eye makeup go on much better, I feel. And those of you who watching, honey, stay tuned, because the next video, I'm going to be doing the eyebrows and the eyelashes. It's going to be a full-on makeup tutorial, and I know I'm going to probably take this off because I really want to pop the eyes. I think this might be more of my shade. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Do y'all think this is more of my shade? Oh my God. One thing about, now you see the difference when you put the foundation on and just wet the tip of the sponge, it really goes on really well, doesn't it? It's a difference. Now you can apply it dry. You don't have to wet it, but honey, it's just a better look. When you wet it, it's a better look. A smoother finish, let me say. It's a smoother finish. Always get up under that eye. I'm going to see if my daughter let me let me use her as a guinea pig. She don't really care for makeup like that, so I'm going to see if she'll let me do that one day for y'all, so y'all can kind of see how I do, But if not, we can keep doing it like this. I like doing, one thing about it, I know my face very well, so I wasn't just born with this face yesterday. I've been had this face for a long time. So yeah. So I'm gonna buff it out with my brush. I'm gonna do my final little blending. This ain't no rush job. It looks fast because I've been doing it a long time, but in the beginning, it's not a rush job, and you're gonna want to do it. Make sure you do it good. This is the foundation of your makeup, so it's gotta be flawless. This is the basis of your makeup. And sometimes if you're wearing a gown or something, you can bring the makeup down this way. Sometimes you can do that. If it calls for it in a dress, you can do that. I've seen some people having makeup coming all the way down in between, you know, their boobs and stuff. You know, it's for the body. It's for, you know, your face. You can bring it on down. But if you don't know how to do that, if that's not your thing, I don't want to overwhelm you. Just stick to the face. Really, you don't have to do none of that at all. Yeah, and I can still feel the dewiness of that sponge, but you just run some cold water on it. You don't submerge the whole thing in water. But do you see the look? Do you see the finish that it gives? And I'm doing extra long time for video just so y'all can understand the importance of blending well. You must blend well, okay? You can never get enough. Blend well. And know when it's enough. You don't have to keep putting layers of foundation on. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you got some spots on your face, sometimes you got to add a little bit extra. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't need to do all that. And I've been doing my face so long, so I know about how much coverage I need and how much coverage I always want. And see, that don't take me long, so I'm going to buff it out with a brush when I get done. Now, in the morning, it don't take me this long. I'm just doing this for video. And if you got laugh lines, always go for the laugh lines. If you have crow's feet, I don't, but if you do, go get on the side of them eyes. On the side. If you have to pull sometimes, get all up in there. On the crease and all that. Okay? Okay, so let me take my little trusty brush. Now, I'm going to do a dry brush, but sometimes I wet the ends of the brush too, just like I do the sponge, to get the effect that I want, like I have here. But right now, this is just a dry. This is another blending technique that I use. I like to blend it with the Beauty Blender, and I like to brush it on in. Because you want your foundation to look like second skin. It shouldn't look like another color on your body. It should look like second skin. It should look natural, like you were born with. It should look like the color of your face. Now that I'm looking at this, I think this might be the better. I just like to suck my cheeks. I love to do. But I don't have blush yet. It's just a habit. So, you guys, that's it for my makeup tutorial with L'Oreal 110. I'm sorry, Infallible Pro Matte. This is 24-hour foundation. I've not had any complaints. I had a lady to ask me. I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $10 or $11, but I'm gonna do a video with my favorite foundation because this is not my favorite in the world, but I got a couple favorites, I think. But this is one that it's a go-to every day. The more expensive ones I wear, I'll try to do those on like a special occasion or something like that. Cause you know the expensive stuff you want to hold on. But yeah, oh, they tell you how to put it on here too. This is a demi matte or semi matte finish, and I like it. It's really I don't know. I really like this. It says lasting demi matte finish, never dull, never flat. Oh, that's French. Oh, I was getting ready to try say all that, but yeah, it's 24-hour. And I mean, I love it. Creme Cafe. It's like a Creme Cafe is the color. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like this on my face? Does it look, let me put the light on it. Does it look too dark? Or does it look too light? Tell me what you think. Do you like? Do you love? I really want to know what y'all think. So please respond, because you know I love it when you guys respond. So I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And this is my finish. Thank you, Trendsetta gang. See you on the next video. Look out for the next makeup tutorial. It'll be after this. Bye.